Hiya too! Today we're going to learn about division, bahagi. So, the learning objective, apa yang kamu akan belajar dalam lesson ini, is divide, share equally, concrete objects into equal groups. So, kamu akan bahagi benda-benda untuk dalam kumpulan yang ada sama nombor benda dalam kumpulan itu. Sekarang teacher explain. So, what you'll do during the lesson, the step to success, is you're going to count how many items there are altogether, kira benda semuanya, count how many groups the item will be placed in, kira berapa kumpulan, place the items in the groups one at a time until all the items are in groups, ambil benda, simpan dalam kumpulan one by one, satu per satu, sampai semua benda itu dalam kumpulan, and then count how many items are in one group. Kira berapa benda ada dalam satu kumpulan itu. Okay, let's start by learning what is division. Apakan bahagiannya? So, let's say Teacher Fatin has 6 sweets. Teacher Fatin ada 6 gula-gula. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, Teacher Fatin has 6 sweets. So, Teacher Fatin wants to share sweets with Teacher Ida and Teacher Zira. So, there's Teacher Ida and there's Teacher Zira. So, what can we do? Apa dapat kami buat? So, we divide the sweets. Kami akan bahagi gula-gula ini. Let's give it one by one. Mari kita bagi satu per satu. So, satu arah Teacher Ida, satu arah Teacher Fatin, satu arah Teacher Zira. Dua arah Teacher Ida, dua arah Teacher Fatin, dua arah Teacher Zira. Now each teacher has 2 sweets. If kamu lihat, satu guru ada 2 gula-gula. So, Teacher Ida ada 2 sweets. Teacher Fatin ada 2 sweets. Teacher Zira ada 2 sweets. Anitah namanya division, bahagi. Kami membahagi dengan sama rata. So, let's talk about counting items all together and items in each group. So, kami memahami apa artinya all together, groups, sama items in each group dulu. So, let's start. We start with the first one, number of items all together. So, all together, if you remember, artinya kesemuanya. So, all together, semua ani. So, items in this picture is the monkeys. So, let's count all together the number of monkeys. Ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, number of items altogether is 10. So, next, we're going to count the number of groups. So, the number of groups, in this case, is the bed. Kumpulannya tilam ani. So, number of groups, we have 1, 2. So, number of groups is 2. Okay, now we're going to count the number of items in each group. Each ani artinya 1. So, one group artinya satu kumpulan. Dalam satu kumpulan itu, so we choose one, this one. So, one group, we count the number of items. Itemsnya last time is the monkey. So, count the number of monkeys on one bed. We have 1 monkey, 2 monkey, 3 monkeys, 4 monkeys, 5 monkeys. So, number of items in each group is 5. Okay, so in sentences, we say it like this. There are 10 monkeys altogether. There are 2 beds. There are 5 monkeys in each bed. So, 10 monkeys altogether. Ito na. Blue. There are 2 beds. Yellow. There are 5 monkeys in each bed. So, in one bed, ada 5 monkeys. Okay, now let's have you try. Can you go get a piece of paper? And then you can just write the numbers dalam sini. So try to write the numbers. You have cupcakes, this one, plates, yang ane. So I want you to fill in the blanks. Try dulu. And then when you're ready to check your answer, you play the video again. Okay, now let's check. So here, there are blank cupcakes all together. All together artinya kesemuanya. So let's count how many cupcakes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 cupcakes altogether. Next, we want to count the number of plates, pinggan. So let's count how many plates we have. We have 1 plate, 2 plates, 3 plates. So there are 3 plates. Next one, there are blank cupcakes in each plate. So each artinya satu. So let's pick a plate. We'll choose the first one. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 cupcakes in each plate. So, let's try one more time. Grab the same paper and then you try to fill in the numbers for the sentences. Pause the video and when you're ready, play again. Okay, so let's check. So there are blank rabbits all together. All together, artinya semuanya. Let's count how many rabbits there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 rabbits all together. There are blank holes. Holes ani artinya lubang. So let's count berapa lubang kami ada. Ada 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, 4 holes, 5 holes. Ada 5 lubang. So there are 5 holes. There are blank rabbits in each hole. So, satu lubang ada berapa arnab? Let's pick any hole that we want. Let's do this one. So, there is 1 rabbit in 1 hole. So, there are 1 rabbit in each hole. There is 1 rabbit in each hole. Okay, very good, year 2. Now let's do your exercise. Can you do page 85 to 88 in your workbook? Magkasurat 85 sampai 88 dalam workbook. Okay, good luck, year 2.